So this job was done for one of our clients. What we're going to talk about today is we're going to talk about the full motion TV mount. So this full motion, this is a fireplace. This is full motion TV mount. This is our bone of contention today. So you can see that the contractor, we've already finished the work, and they put a 120 volt 15 amps inside this recess box. The recess box is a kind of extension from the wall that they built, right? And they can use any covering for it. You can use a poplar wood. Some people can use ties. So this our client, they use ties for theirs. So this is a recess, right? In which the TV will be here, in which the recess, under the recess. Why do they have this recess? This is to hide all your stuff. To hide, I'm talking of to hide all your maybe TV, PS5, TV box, or extension box, or anything that you want to put, whatever you want to put it. Even your router, you can also put your router here. So the purpose of the recess box is that. And the TV, you're going to hang the TV over here. This is not a flat mount. This is a full motion mount. So when we're talking about the full motion mount, the meaning is that you can turn it to the right, you can turn it to the left, and you can also make it flat to the wall, in which it is very, 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 very versatile. The engineer, they designed this one for recess wall. You can also use it for a flat wall even. So when you look at this thing, you put your TV over here and you can pull it out, turn it to the right. Let's assume you have a swimming pool over there, or people are enjoying some stuff out there. They can peep through the window and be watching the Super Bowl or the Premier League match or the basketball match. That's what we're talking about. The full motion mount is very versatile. You can turn it to the right, you can turn it to the left. And also, you can also zip tie your Amazon Fire Stick over here at the back, or your TV box over here at the back, or your Jazz box at the back of the TV. So one of the advantages is you can move it to the right, move it to the left, you can swivel it a little bit, you can swivel it to the other side too, and you can also make it a flat mount. So when you look at this is a very, very good one, which I normally recommend for my client. So if you have a recess wall, if you have a flat wall, you can use a full motion mount. Bring your TV out. If you are by the pool side, you can turn the TV to the pool side. If the pool side is towards that side, you can turn the TV to that side, so that everybody can enjoy the TV program while you're also having your party celebration and stuff. So I really recommend full motion mount for your bedroom, master bedroom, for your living room, or for your living room in which the kitchen is in a corner, or in which you have a patio or a swimming pool at the one corner, in which you can just turn the TV to the patio, so that people that's on the deck, they can really be enjoying what's going on. A typical example is this, in which people can be having some party outside there, where they can also be watching the TV if you pull up the curtain. So this is, you just turn the TV, turn it to this side. The flat TV mount cannot give you all the luxuries. So you can turn it to this side, and people outside, they will be able to do what? They will be able to also watch what's going on in the TV while they're having a party celebration, Sunday dinner outside, and stuff like that. So I really recommend full motion TV mount. We designed this and built it. We did design this, build it, produce it, and install it for you. IBTECH Smart Home. Thank you so much. Bye.